Srishti Singh sir and Dr. R.B. Rice sir's family and my scientific colleagues, my technical staffs and all the staffs of Division of Pathology. Rather, I would like to prefer to tell all the members of our pathology family. And first of all, I would like to welcome Dr. R.B. Rice family to our pathology family. Welcome all of you, along with ma'am and sir. And I think this is the first time you all have visited this Division of Pathology. आप लोगों का पहला है तो I think you will get sufficient time to visit to Sir's labs, including all members who are your own colleagues. And yesterday also, within 2 days, we celebrated Sir's mega functions at his own residence and also in Iverai. And yeah, today I realized the same sentence and I'm tired of repeating more again and again. Within a span of 1 to 2 months, at least thrice or 4 times, Shakespeare, according to the Shakespeare, and it is opposed to the world is a stage and we are the actors. The day we will come, definitely the other day we have to depart. But yes, it is true also, between that entry and the exit point, those days are the days which makes a man memorable in the mind of our memory. And Dr. R.B. Rai sir, one of the noted personality from Division of Pathology, who heightened the glory of our Division of Pathology, who has filed so many patents and development by emulating low-cost developmental technology, which has just doubled the glory of our Division of Pathology across the nations. And many farmers, whose the basic our purpose for the job we are working for the development of these farmers, and he has truly served for them. And so without taking much time, I would like to call today's main guest, Dr. R.B. Rai sir. Please sir, come and take the seat in the dais. I would like to request Dr. R. Singh sir, our head of our division, Dr. S. D. Singh sir. सर आइए।
हम तो उधर गए हैं।
नहीं सर, इधर चलेगा। प्लीज सर।
आइए। आप बैठेंगे?
अकेले
बैठो। आपका इंतजार किया।
आइए सर।
लो भैया। दोबारा से पोस्टमार्टम में अब राय साहब और शर्मा जी हम लोग साथ के ही हैं तो इसलिए
अब गाय भैंस छोड़ के मगरमच्छ का पोस्टमार्टम करते हैं।
हाँ क्या शुरू हो जाएगा?
ना अभी जस्ट
का इधर है सीनियर सिटीजन का ग्रुप है बस इसमें आ गए
ऊपर जाओ। नहीं फूल नहीं पसंद, फूल देते हैं
वाला नहीं।
Yes, definitely it is true. Retirement is the day. It marks the end of doing work for someone else and starts working for one's. And the concept of freedom truly never can be realized until one settles himself or herself in the retirement mode. So it is the just beginning of a new life, starting of the era of a new life. So really it is a new venture. And for the beginning of this new venture, I would like to just offer our garland to Dr. R.B. Rai sir. So in the meantime, Dr. K.P. Singh sir has also joined with us. So I would like to invite him to take the seat in the dais. Flower, it is the beautiful gift of God. It is the embodiment of purity, love, sincerity. So I would like to request all the family